Learn and Grow presents 12 glowing skin secrets that you need to know. Many people desire to have glowing skin. A radiant appearance is viewed by some as a symbol of health, while others seek it for cosmetic reasons. There is no magic. Learn the glowing skin secrets in this video. Women often long for keeping their skin bright and radiant. Although it is an outward health sign, many women want it for cosmetic purposes. Is it possible to have a celebrity-like look? Are there any glowing skin secrets? Well, nothing is magical. One needs to change one's lifestyle and diet to improve skin health. Let's dive deep into how to keep skin glowing. What is glowing skin? Glowing skin is soft and moist with no dull, flaky, or dryness. However, many people give different meanings and terms for referring to glowing skin. It can be awake or healthy rather than being dull or untextured. The healthy skin would look perfectly hydrated, neither too oily nor dry. Fairly even color, without any blemishes or redness. Smooth with minute breaks. One may confuse healthy skin with perfect skin. The latter often remain unattainable. Skin can be glowing and healthy even if you have pores, birthmarks, wrinkles, fine lines, or occasional blemishes. Hormonal fluctuation often leads to acne breakout. However, it may depend on the skin's texture, whether dry or oily. Generally, one witnesses acne issues during pregnancy, puberty, or menopause. Genetics: one's genes matter the most in giving dry or dull skin. Atopic dermatitis is a dry skin condition caused by genetics. Environment: pollution, extreme temperatures, dry air, tobacco smoke, exposure to the sun negatively impacts the skin. Glowing skin secrets. We often wonder, what is the secret of glowing skin? Are there any magical products that melt over the skin, providing an instant glow that lasts permanently? Getting glowing skin is a mixture of patience, practice, and products. Here are some clear skin secrets. 1. Use frozen milk cubes. Milk and ice cube is the perfect combination for curing dry and dull skin. The lactic acid in milk helps reduce dullness and provides a natural glow. Moreover, it is a natural moisturizer, and rubbing the frozen cubes of raw milk gently over the skin helps combat dryness. 2. Dehydrating mask. A day face mask containing yogurt and avocado is one of the best glowing skin secrets. Yogurt contains lactic acid and has anti-inflammatory properties, while avocado contains various vitamins like E, B, K, and fatty acids. Give a punch of honey that provides deep nourishment and hydration to the skin. 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is the process of removing surface dry skin cells. Well, it does not mean that you should daily exfoliate, as it may lead to skin irritation and accelerate the aging process. Doing it 2 to 3 times a week helps prevent pore clogging. It improves overall skin health while stimulating collagen production and reviving the appearance of dull skin. 4. Get enough sleep. A study shows that a lack of sleep results in skin aging. Sleep supports mental health, further allowing the body to heal from the damage. When having quality sleep of around 7 to 8 hours, the mind heals the damages, waking you up with refreshed and glowing skin. 5. Use aloe vera gel daily. Applying the fresh aloe vera gel over the dry skin keeps it moisturized for a long time. The acids in aloe vera gel eat away the dead cells, helping speed up the healing process. 6. Apply toner before moisturizer or serum. Using toner before any moisturizers or serum prepares your skin or helps keep it hydrated all day long. Moreover, serums or moisturizers work better and penetrate deep when the skin is hydrated. 7. Include vitamin C in your routine. Vitamin C contains antioxidants that help prevent damage against free radicals. Applying a few drops of vitamin C serum before any SPF cream helps lighten the dark spots and provides an even tone to the skin. It even stimulates collagen production, helping provide youthful and smooth skin. 8. Treat your face with facials. Facials include deep cleaning and a skin massage that help provide nutrients to the skin. It is one of the glowing skin secrets of celebrities that help repair skin damage and clears the pores, making it breathable. 9. Drink enough water. No matter how well you take care of the skin, insufficient fluid intake slows down the process. Although it sounds straightforward, water plays a vital role in enhancing skin complexion and health. Even the body needs sufficient water to remain healthy and help fight against free radicals that cause damage. 10. Exercising. A study showed that aerobic exercise for 3 months helps improve skin texture. It even helps prevent age-related skin deterioration. Doing physical activity for at least 75-150 minutes helps improve general health. Practice at moderate intensity for a week and then move to vigorous intensity after 10 days. 11. Follow CTM rules. CTM stands for cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. It is a perfect skincare routine, helping provide clear and luminant skin. It takes a few minutes but helps a lot in getting rid of the pollutants, dead skin cells, makeup, and dirt that sticks to the face. A perfect CTM also helps rebalance the skin's pH level. It even rehydrates the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and glowy. 12. Follow a natural diet. The food we consume has a major impact on our overall health. Despite a flawless skincare routine, if one is not fit and healthy internally, one may fail to acquire a healthy face. One should avoid saturated and high-sugar foods and focus on fresh vegetables and fruits. These are rich in vitamin A, C, D, E, zinc, potassium that help maintain healthy skin and boost collagen level. Lean proteins. Foods like the liver contain vitamin B12 that stimulates collagen production. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. It helps protect against skin damage. How to keep skin glowing? Here are some effective and naturally glowing skin secrets one should know. Use mineral-based sunscreen as it helps protect against harmful UV rays of the sun. Use skincare products only after washing the face thoroughly. It removes accumulated dirt and cleanses pores, ensuring deep penetration of nutrients. Practice facial massage as it helps boost blood circulation and prevent damage against free radicals. Include antioxidant-rich foods in your diet like leafy greens, berries, dark chocolate to prevent inflammation and oxidative stress in the skin. Other things you can do make your skin glow. Keep these glowing skin secrets in mind for youthful, radiant, and healthy skin. Stay active. One can try some yoga poses, like the downward-facing dog pose, that enhance the blood flow and essential nutrient circulation to the skin. Don't drink or smoke. Smoking increases the risk of squamous cell skin cancer. Alcohol triggers psoriasis, dermatitis, etc. Summing up on glowing skin secrets. Naturally, glowing skin is healthy and hydrated skin, free from blemishes and dullness. One can work on different glowing skin secrets and provide deep nourishment. Make changes in your lifestyle and food. Inculcate a good skincare routine to see visible changes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell and also check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.